Okay, folks, we're going to look at the currencies, starting out with the US dollar index. We've had a very, very bullish formation here from the high that we made when we made this butterfly pattern. We were down for 5 days. All we could do was make a 382 retracement. We couldn't even match this correction. This was even a shallower correction. And then with the strong day today, tells us that we're going to go higher and probably a lot higher. This 5-day correction is very bullish, and it could take us all the way up to the 96.50 level without any trouble. Remember, this has been very bullish ever since we had the head and shoulders pattern. If we take a look at the next one, which is the euro, if we just look at the euro here on the daily chart, you can see here that we're heading down towards this 114 level. That's down about another 200 points. Again, you're seeing this very shallow correction into this A, B, C, D pattern, telling us this is probably where we're going to go. If you remember from Friday, we were showing the bearishness as we were looking at this parallel channel. We had a perfect ABCD pattern, and then the breakdown here. We almost took a higher high here by just a pip or two, almost touching the top of the parallel channel, but this one also looks lower. If we take a look at the Japanese yen, we're seeing the same thing as far as bullishness. We are against this 61% retracement here several times, but again, you've got this A, B, C, D pattern, very shallow retracement, and then looks like we're getting ready to head up. And in fact, we have an even shallower retracement here. It took 8 days and couldn't even make a 382 retracement. And if we just measure that one, you'll see that we'll get all the way up to this area of 117, almost 117.50. And then we'll take a quick look here at the British pound. Here's another one that still looks very bearish, as you can see from the daily chart. We were only able to rally up to just about a 50% retracement. And with this wide range bar down, we didn't do much Friday, but this tells us that we're most probably heading down to this area. Should be some support here, but again, not very much. And then finally, we'll take a look here at the Australian dollar. Here's one that we've been bearish on for quite some time that has been acting very nicely. You'll notice that we have another swing down to this area, and we could easily get another A, B, C, D. Here's a 5-day correction that didn't go anywhere. Look at that, 5 days and didn't go anywhere. And that would be another small A, B, C, D pattern taking us down to that same area, or pretty close to that area here of around 75. So that's what we're watching in the currencies. Live every day in an attitude of gratitude, and may God bless.